because it's unbelievable, isn't it? It isn't when you realise what comfrey does. Remember the three things? It has a growth stimulant, so whether it be bone or tissue, or tendon or ligament or skin. Growth stimulant, it's a lubricant, excellent for joints. And it also reduces the inflammation. So I told you that if I was going to talk about comfrey, I'd need a bit of time. It's a remarkable, remarkable herb. So we pick the leaves in the spring and the summer, and I dry them till they're totally dried out in a warm oven, and then I pound them up to a powder, and I do that 3 times, so I've got 50 leaves. So in my jar I've got 150 leaves. They come down to a fine powder. The jar's this big, I fill it a third full, then I fill it with olive oil and I shake it and I let it sit for 2 months. And after 2 months I strain it into a double saucepan, and then I warm beeswax, I mix them together and pour it into jars. And you can ring Misty Mountain Health Retreat and get a jar of comfrey cream. It's dark green.